In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Tahir here. As you know that we have covered our first and second lesson of class 7th. Now today I will tell you how to do the exercise or how to give the answers of exercise of lesson number 1. So for example, I have written a question here on the board. Who was Abu bin Adham? It is the first exercise or exercise A from your book of lesson 1. Who was Abu bin Adham? Abu bin Adham कौन था? Ibrahim bin Adham, also known as Abu bin Adham. So what is the real name of Abu bin Adham? Abu bin Adham's real name is Ibrahim bin Adham or Abu bin Adham. So he was a Sufi saint. He was born in Balkh on the east of Khurasan. Now question number 2. What did he see in his room? He saw the moonlight in his room. These are 2 questions which I have taken from your book. Now the remaining questions you have to answer it on your copy. Question number 3 is who was writing? कौन लिख रहा था? What type of book was that? वो किताब किस किस्म की थी? Who is an angel? एक फरिश्ता क्या होता है या कौन होता है? What question did Abu ask from the angel? As you read this poem, so what was the question Abu bin Adham asked to the angel? What was angel's answer? फरिश्ते का क्या जवाब था? What request did Abu make to the angel? अबू बिन आदम ने क्या दरख्वास्त की थी? What was the great awakening light? और वो जो अबू बिन आदम के कमरे में रोशनी हो रही थी वो किस चीज की थी? Who wrote and then vanished? कौन लिख रहा था और फिर गायब हो गया? Who came second time? दूसरी बार कौन आया? What did the angel show to Abu? जो फरिश्ता था उसने अबू बिन आदम को क्या दिखाया? Where was the name of Abu? So on the next day or the second day when the angel showed the book, so where was the name of Abu bin Adham? Who wrote this poem? Who was like a lily in bloom? ये नज़म किसने लिखी और कौन जो है वो फूल की तरह खिल रहा था? Now exercise B, complete the following sentences. These both exercises on page number 8. Number 1 blank is awoke one night from a deep dream of peace. As I have written on the board, awoke one night from a deep dream of peace. And number 2, and saw within the moonlight in his room. So now blank 3 to 15 is your task to do it in your book. Now please come on the page number 9, exercise C, fill in the blanks with the words given in the list below. Students, look at page number 9. It is a box and here are some words. We have to choose words from this box and fill the blanks. Number 1, Abu bin Adham dash from his dash dream of dash, awoke, deep and peace. First blank I have told you now. Other one you have to search from the poem and you have to fill it in your book. Now word study. Find out the meanings of the following words in dictionary and use them in your sentences. Here are some words on page number 9. You have to find the meaning from dictionary and make or use these words in your sentences. As I have made a sentence for you, tribe. Tribe means kabila. Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam belong to Bani Hashim tribe. हमारे प्यारे नबी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम बनु हाशिम कबीले से ताल्लुक रखते थे. So now dream, ख्वाब, पीस, अमन, मूनलाइट, चांद की रोशनी. As I have told you the meaning, now the remaining words you have to do and make it in your own sentences. Now on page number 10, give the opposites of the following words. Night and day, रात और दिन, rich, अमीर, poor, गरीब. So you have to write the opposite of the words which are given on page number 10. That's all today. I will teach you the next exercise which is on page number 11. We will meet again. Allah Hafiz.